Well, I've been with this practice for a very long time, and it's improved, and it keeps improving time on time. I've had dental implant for the first time, and a crown replacement, and the treatment plan was really, really well explained. Everything was up front and in writing, so I could understand it, take away, think about it. I did do quite a bit of research before I had the implant, and I was really impressed with the way Natalie guided me through it, and then Anoop, every piece of treatment he's done so far has been exceptional, and all the staff that have also worked there, all the extra staff that helped out have been brilliant as well. So, and it's been reassuring, and that's the most important thing for me, because I do get a bit nervous about certain things. I did have a sedation at one point, and then after that I didn't need it, and I felt that it was really well explained, so I'm really happy with all the treatment I've had so far.